And we started with tenderloin, just the end of the tenderloin right here, which we are going to finish cleaning, and it's going to be ready to go. This is the most tender part of the leg, there is no doubt, and it's usable for grilling in general, as you would use a filet mignon, basically, except its veal has got a different flavor, different structure. So that's the best way to use it to realize the maximum profit, basically. Okay, then we have the shank here. Okay, that basically it's suitable for moist cooking, braising. We left it like this because later on we're gonna cut it in osso buco, which is probably the most profitable way to go these days because it's very high demand, and it's a very, very delicious dish, as you guys know. And like I said, if in case you don't have a saw, you can just clean it up a little bit and cook it as it is, and have a family feast.